everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna record and I hope it's not echoing, but I don't think it should be because the lighting in the bathroom is fire. And yeah, so I wanted to quickly show you guys. It's gonna be a very quick video, and I wanted to show you guys how I moisturize my hair. I do have to say that I have been loving my short hair, even though right now it looks like a bit messy, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix that in just a second. And I just came out of the shower and I had this bright idea that maybe, you know those sponges with the little holes that you can use like to roll your hair, and I was just like, maybe I should do that to my hair. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna be using castor oil. This is just a normal castor oil from Clicks that I got, and I am going to be using shea butter, nothing crazy. I think honestly, since I have had short hair, I don't moisturize my hair as much as I used to when I had longer hair, and the reason for that is I don't think it's necessary. Honestly, less is more with short hair. I think my moisturizing routine right now is looking like twice a week. So today's Sunday, the next time. The cool thing about this castor oil is that it doesn't have that, it's more like a refined castor oil. So anyway, I'm just gonna take a little bit, not too much, because again, less is more. And I'm just gonna be focusing the product exactly on my, I would say not necessarily my scalp, but like the hair that's close to my scalp. So just like so. I don't like putting too much because it is castor oil and it's quite thick, you know. What I did notice that I enjoy doing is massaging my hair in the shower. So I don't wear a shower cap when I shower, and the reason for that is I think I'm using that time to massage my hair. I still use a satin pillowcase, I still wear a satin bonnet or a scarf, whatever it is that you want to call it. I think I want to do that thing. I want to do that thing with the hair. And then once that's done, because I massaged the oil close to my scalp, kind of like on my scalp, those little hairs that are like, you know, in between that sometimes the product doesn't get to, that's what I focused on. And then I massaged that for a good minute, and I'm already giving myself a scalp massage, so that helps a lot. Therefore, with the shea butter, I'm going to be using it to moisturize the top of my hair, so like that, to get those ends locked in. Especially, I can see that I still have a bit of the relaxed hair, like some of the ends, like maybe one or two of them, which I will snip later on. I don't have my shears with me right now. A bit of my edges, also my hairline. Do you see how thick that is? Yeah, she's healthy, she's good, she's protected. Is I take the hair, I kind of pull it first, and then I do that. So I'm just kind of lifting the roots more than anything. I'm not really going all the way because that's kind of impossible to do. So I'm just like picking my roots just to bring them alive, just to bring them to life. I think I look adorable. If anybody was thinking I'm pushing 30, the second they see this, that's just gonna be like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. But as you guys can tell, I'm down my brows a little bit, like, you know, it's Sunday today. We're just chilling, you know? And yeah, I love it. That's how it looks. Also did like a little part there, if you can see it, I don't know, but yeah, I kind of like how it looks like. And yeah, this is the look. I love this look. Also my teeth look so good. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, I'm gonna make it long. Just wanted to show you guys my moisturizing routine and how much I've been loving my hair, because I really have been. I think I want to do like mini twists. You guys remember like my length before I relaxed my hair and cut it? I kind of want that length. I want like length. I want like mini twists that are just short, like right on my neck or like shoulder, only because you guys know I work out a lot and I'm not trying to have my hair be bugging me like that. So I think, yeah, I like this hair. I mean, it's so easy to manage. I'm finding it easy to manage, but I think I love it so much that I don't want to braid it, because I was supposed to braid my hair this past week and I've just not have it. I don't have it in me to do it, not because I don't want to do it, but because I've been enjoying this hair. Like the other day I went to the gym and it was the first time I like wore my gym outfit with my short hair, and you know, the little voices in my hair were just like, yeah, you're gonna look ugly, you're not gonna look cute. Because I was working out on my back, where the machines are at the gym, they didn't have any mirrors. So where the squat rack is, that's the only time I was going to be able to see myself like on a full mirror. And girls, when I got there, I felt like such a baddie. I was just like, but I like this new look. You know, I mean, I even went out for an event. I'll insert that clip here. And I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Obviously there, my hair is more different to this now. It's like a little bit more curlier and etc, because I had done mini twists from my previous videos. So I took them down and I attended the event and I loved it. I felt confident. I didn't feel like any type of way, honestly. I just felt positive vibes and I'm so proud of myself. I'm just so proud of myself, and the fact that I am fully embracing and accepting and immersing myself in my short hair. It's definitely something I used to have a lot of fear for, and I'm sure for some people it'd be like, that's so silly, but it's not for me. Okay, it's not. Only because I've never had short hair before. So I'm really enjoying it, and I think I'll be sharing more of this side of my short hair with you guys. I'm not particularly interested in styling my hair, if that makes any sense. I'm really just, I want to enjoy it in its short state, in its natural state, without me manipulating it too much. And yeah, I am out of leave-in conditioner because my little sister took my leave-in conditioner, Linda. So I have to go buy me my own, and I'm gonna be hiding it, girl, next time you're coming home. You didn't get it in. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.